again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best PC repair toolkits for beginners in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Precision Repair Computer Hand Toolkit Multi-Tool Screwdrivers Set Screwdriver. A very handy set of tools. Originally bought for cell phone repair, but I realized it's suitable for all kinds of small repair work. There are an overwhelming 150 different tools, mainly screwdriver bits, that can fit for literally any kind of need for small stuff. Also, the glass lifting tools are a nice addition to the set. The quality is quite good as well. Pretty happy with the purchase so far. Imagen del client los 120 brocas de núcleo están hechas de vulcanización de acero CR de alta calidad, la dureza puede alcanzar por encima de HRC 62°, más duro y más duradero que el acero ordinario. Todas las brocas de tamaño estándar se han sometido a una estricta inspección de calidad, la punta es estable y no se cae fácilmente, y la punta magnética puede apretar fácilmente el tornillo de ajuste. Number 9. Strebito Precision Screwdriver Set 124-piece Electronics Toolkit with 101 bits Magnetic Screwdriver Set. Estas brocas de precision de 0.157 en están hechas de acero al cromo vanadio de alta calidad que puede alcanzar 60 HRC, por lo que las puntas son resistentes, duraderas y no se pelan fácilmente, garantes en una larga vida útil del producto. Las brocas están mecanizadas con precision CNC para ser precisas. Y cada broca está grabada con número de pieza y tamaño para un reconocimiento rápido. Además, este juego de puntas de destornillador te de duplicados para las puntas más utilizadas en caso de que se pierda una. Este kit de herramientas de computadora ofrece la máxima utilidad con 23 prácticas herramientas de reparación. La herramienta desmagnetizadora ayuda a magnetizar las brocas para agarrar tornillos, o desmagnetizarlas para trabajar de forma segura en dispositivos electrónicos sensibles. Las pinzas ESD manjan tornillos y microparts fácilmente, mientras que la alfombrilla magnética puede mantenerlos organizados, evitando que se pierdan. Number 8. ADIN1 Professional Computer Repair Toolkit, Precision Screwdriver Set with 56 bits. Si estás buscando un pequeño kit de herramientas y planeas hacer mucho mantenimiento electrónico, el juego de destornilladores una mela y es un serios considerado. El kit de controlador incluye todas las brocas comunes y especializadas actuales, más accesorios, por ejemplo, para herramienta de magnetización y desmagnetización, herramientas anti-estáticas antideslizantes, hace que el trabajo de reparación sea más fácil y más seguro. Compatibilidad para la reparación de electrónica popular consola de juegos, pequeños electrodomésticos, electrónica, ordenador, MacBook, teléfonos, PS4/Xbox, iPad, iPhone, tabletas, portátiles, relojes, gafas, cámara, cigarrillo electrónico, gadgets. Detalles del paquete, 1 herramienta de apertura de plástico, 3 pinzas ESD, 1 cuchillo de utilidad. Number 7. WireHard 62-in-1 Precision Computer and Smartphone Repair Toolkit. Within the kit, you will find 56 magnetic bits, an aluminum driver with the concept of press and adjust, an extension rod with a magnetic ending, a flexible magnetic shaft, 1 standard 0.25-inch connector adapter, a flexible triangle opener, and more. Some of the head types include hex, Torx Security, flathead, Phillips, Pentalobe, Tripoint, and more. All of these heavy-duty steel tools are packed nicely into a compact 12.8-ounce kit box and are made to last for a lifetime under normal USEA. As far as compatibility is concerned, you can use any of the 56 bits for a number of maintenance and repair tasks across a range of different products varying from tablets, laptops, monitors, and PCs to portable devices and items like PSPs, DSLR cameras, hard drives, glasses, and watches. In case you are wondering whether particular pieces are part of this kit, you can manually check the product description on the retailer's listing, which you can find here. Number 6. Computer Repair Kit, Chopin 140IN1 Screwdriver Set, including 120 bits magnetic repair tool. Within this 140-piece kit, you will find a total of 120 high-tier bits which range from security hex to tri-wing to triangle and more. Besides those, you will also find a precision torque screwdriver, anti-static tweezer, screen opening tools like a suction cup as well as pry tools. For the full list, visit the retailer's listing and check whether they have everything you need. Alternatively, you can leave a comment below, and the team at Diamond Lobby will check for you. A great bonus is that the bit of this precision repair tool is magnetic, which means that it can very easily suck up a small screw and keep it in place. This means that you no longer need to spend hours playing around with tiny screws that won't stay in place. If white isn't your go-to color, you can also find this exact product in blue. When compatibility is concerned, this set of tools can help you take apart, maintain. Number 5. Kaisi 126-in-1 Repair Kit. We enjoy the wide range of applications this set can tackle. From the 1/4-inch screwdriver adapter to the ESD tweezers, you'll have every tool you need. This kit is engineered entirely to provide as much versatility as possible, regardless of what it is you're fixing. The versatility is the best part, but unfortunately, the case must stay upright, or the tools may come loose. This isn't a huge problem, but you'll want to keep it in mind. The ergonomic design will help you avoid sore hands. The handles are designed to be press and push, so you can change bits and change screws in a snap. Even if you damage bits due to repetitive usage, there are upwards of 4 each, so you always have a replacement. It also includes a storage bag made entirely from Oxford so you can protect your precious tools and travel with them at your leisure. Number 4. Rosewell 90-piece Computer Toolkit Components RTK090 Black. This 90 pieces toolkit contains precision screwdriver, reversible ratchet driver, wrench set, desoldering pump and a crimping tool. All the tools are demagnetized to prevent personal computer systems from damages. It contains everything that you need to fix and improve the electronic devices by maintaining or take any challenging tasks. A zipper case allows you to transport the tools with an ease wherever you find it to be useful. Great for service technicians or home DIY users, this 90-piece professional computer toolkit includes almost everything you need to fix and upgrade electronic devices, household appliance, or work on projects around your home. All tools are demagnetized for safe use with even devices that are magnet sensitive. A durable, convenient storage case keeps the tools and bits and bobs where they belong. Make this toolkit and you can take on any challenging tasks. Number 3. Kaisi Electronics Repair Toolkit. This toolkit comes with 139 components that are helpful for a wide range of repairing applications that include laptops, camera, gaming console, iPhone, tablet, computer, iPad and other electronic devices. All the bits are crafted from high-quality CRV steel through vulcanization, which makes it the most durable option. And moreover, these bits undergo a lot rigorous quality testing which makes them stable and doesn't easily strip off. With an ergonomic push design handle, it is comfortable to use and hold easily for a long time. For easy carrying and storage, this kit comes with a storage bag. Después de más de 10 años de experiencia en desmontaje de productos electrónicos, hemos desmontado miles de desmontaje y con la ayuda de muchos datos de guías de reparación. Nuestros técnicos han seleccionado un práctico y potente kit de herramientas de reparación electrónica. Number 2. ORIA Precision Screwdriver Set 86-in-1 Magnetic Repair Toolkit. This 86-in-1 magnetic toolkit have more components than the previous one. You can use this kit for assembling, maintaining, and repairing the hardware devices. This unique driver is anti-static and skid-proof that makes easy to handle and safe. As the screwdriver is made of steel, hardiness, you can use it for a long time. The advanced screwdriver set contains new bits of size 0.8/1.5 inches. All the equipment are placed in a nylon bag that makes easy to carry at home and workplaces. ORIA specializes in producing high-quality precision screwdriver kit, cleaning tools kit, digital scale, 2-in-1 sealer, maintenance tools, night light, wireless charger, alarm clocks, digital hygrometer thermometer, other household products, and more. Our technicians will constantly update and design our products to make more accurate maintenance tools. Over 5 million people have chosen our products. Number 1. Strabito Screwdriver Sets. The first product on our list comes from a reliable brand called Strabito, which contains 120 bits of screwdriver pieces, which is more than enough for any DIY project. In addition to these pieces, they come with 22 practical accessories. The precision bits are made of 60 HRC chromium vanadium steel, which makes them durable, sturdy, oxidation, abrasion and corrosion resistant. 120 brocas de precision, Phillips, cabeza plana, Torx, resistant a la manipulation, pentalobe, Positive, tri-wing, hex, gamebit, etc. 22 herramientas de reparación, ventosa con pin de expulsión de tarjeta SIM, pinzas anguladas, magnetizator, estera de proyecto magnética, spudger, herramienta de palanca de plástico, cepillo, panos de microfibra, etc.